I'd like to start out with your background some more. What do you do in your current role, and what is your title, first of all?
I'm team leader for the cement team, Chevron Energy Technology Company.
In connection with this matter, I understand that you received an assignment from the company as a result of a request from the National Commission on the BP Deepwater Horizon investigation.
Correct.
All right. Did the company ask you to do work to respond to the request of the National Commission?
Yes, sir.
Now, take a look at the first page of your letter to Mr. Sankar. Look at the last sentence on the second paragraph.
Correct.
Can you read that into the record?
To our knowledge, these materials were supplied by Halliburton as representative of materials used on the Deepwater Horizon, but are neither bulk plant samples nor rig samples from the actual job.
So based on everything you understand, the material that you did your testing on was representative of what was on the Deepwater Horizon.
To our knowledge.
Now, let's, if we can, generally talk about your lab results. I see in your lab results several references to the foam cement slurry would not mix or was not stable. Let me say that it was not stable. Is that a fair conclusion from the testing that you did?
Yes, sir.
And I know I'm drawing conclusions, so I apologize for that. But is it fair for me to say that when you tested the foam cement design provided for the foam cement job, for the production casing job, that is, you at Chevron concluded that the cement would not be stable?
That is the sentence, the last sentence on the second page reflects that we were unable to generate a stable foam.
Okay. And that was true for multiple tests that you ran on the foam cement design, correct?
Correct.
Just so that the court will understand, what does it mean to you as a tester when you see a foam cement design that is not stable?
The goal in designing a foam cement job is to end up with a slurry that after it is set has a uniform distribution of gas. So an unstable system means either the solids are settling out of it and or the gas is breaking out of it. So the resulting density is not uniform.
When you find that the cement is unstable, does that instability reflect the prospective breakout of the gas from the cement?
That's what the test is intended to indicate.
Okay. And if you see that there is the prospective breakout of the gas from the cement, what does that tell you as a tester?
You would redesign the cement slurry to prevent that.
Okay. Maintaining uniformity of the gas mixed in the cement is an objective for purposes of making the cement perform its job. Fair to say?
Yes.
Now, did you have available to you any of the testing that was done by Halliburton that showed that the cement slurry intended for the production casing job was not stable?
The only Halliburton data we had was what was published in the Bly report, the April 12th, the line item indicating the two specific gravity values.
And did that indicate to you instability of the foam cement job?
The two values were equal, but they were higher than the design, than the intended design density. So it was an indicator that it may not, even if it was uniform, it was not at 14.5 pounds per gallon.
And did that indicate instability to you?
That could be an indicator of instability.
In your practice, generally speaking, it would be common under those circumstances when there's made a determination that the foam cement is not stable to redesign the cement slurry before the job is pumped, correct?
Yes.
Under Section 9, foam mixing and stability, I believe this is the last section of your test, and then we're going to need to take a little break. There's a reference to the foam mixing instability. Already, we've identified that the foam slurry was not stable, and in this particular section, you say as follows: API, RP 10B4, and ISO 10426-4 are silent on the matter of slurry conditioning, so several conditioning methods were used. None of the tests produced a stable foam. Did I read that correctly?
Yes, sir.
In this section on test 4, you point out that settling was observed in the base and foamed slurry, correct? It's like the fourth sentence there.
Yeah, slurry condition foamed, density low, yes. Settling is observed in both the base and the foam system, yes, sir.
That's right. And also settling. Did that indicate to you potential problems with the design?
They are negative indicators.
Now, you ran 9 tests here. Do you believe that that is sufficient facts to reach the opinion that the slurry did not form a stable foam?
What we put in the report is that we were unable to generate a foam in 9 instances.
Mm-hmm. You were unable to generate a stable foam in 9 instances.
Correct.